Welcome back to Simple Renovation Tips. This video is about installing the LED strip at the top of the splashback in the kitchen. So this is the strip that I got. It's about 5 meters long, so I was thinking to put LED lights at the back all the way around, and it comes around the right above the sink, so that at night it gives you that very nice light that's changing colors. So to do that, I really don't have much space. There is nothing to be hidden. The LED light should not be seen. You shouldn't really see the LEDs. So what I was thinking is get a C channel, something like that. You can see a C channel. That's aluminium. The reason I got the aluminium is long lasting. It's matching all the colors for the edge of the trims, the appliances. I removed the microwave because I put a hole in this area here. That's where I feed the cable, and I have the power inside here as well. That's the reason I removed it, to do the work properly. So this one here is what I got is a 12 mil, which is the flanges that are 12 mil, and that's 16 mil wide. So 12, 12 and 16. And I will be sticking the LED lights at the top, at the 16 mil. The reason being is when it's installed like that, you won't see the lights, and this is the right way of doing it. You shouldn't see the LED bits. So you should only see the light, the reflection of the light coming down. That's all you need to see there. So I've started already putting the pieces there. So the principle is basically cut them at the corners wherever you have change of direction. Okay, I'll just show you an example. I've already taken measurement for one piece, which is basically just the one below the range hood. So what I did is I took measurement, and then I need to create those angles. So use a 45-degree angle. So I just put a line and flip, go to the other end, put another 45-degree angle, put a line there as well. So I have a vise. You don't really have to use a vise anyway. Don't tighten too hard, otherwise you will see marks there. Okay, it's going to be noisy, so I just got it 45-degree angle. Follow the line. So I'll try to break all these sharp edges now. So here it is, 45-degree angle. Okay, so I just completed now all these trims all around for the lights. As you can see, I put a C channel all around, but don't worry about these little gaps. So I'll show you now how to remediate those ones. So it goes all the way around, all the way around. So here I just use clamps. I was holding it with clamp, but just because it's one piece, it's 2.7 meter long channel, so it's a bit hard to hold it to allow the glue to work. So what I did is I used about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clamps all along, and that's working beautifully. So I put some masking tape, and I put the silicone on top between the aluminium and the window frame. So as you can see, it looks pretty neat. So it's nice, it's all blending in, it's beautiful. Here it is. Yeah. So the corners between the two elements, the two aluminium trims, so you put two pieces of masking tape in, and then put some silicone, some gray silicone in there. So I have already done all of them. So this is how you do it, just with your hand. Just squeeze just a little bit with your hand, and straight away you pull it out afterwards so that it doesn't dry there. So we can try and pull at least one out now. Let me just zoom in. Let's see how it's going to come out. One. Here it is. Okay, so this one here. So this one here, it's the same color as this one. So you can see, you don't see it as a hole in there. You see it basically, it's just like a joint, a normal joint. So the LED strip, I bought myself a 5 meter long. It's got double-sided tape at the back. You just peel that protection and then you stick it inside this channel. As you can see, I couldn't film it. Honestly, I couldn't install it and film at the same time. So I just followed all the way from the end. So as you can see at the top. So I went through the hole. They put a hole in the splashback, and from here now come to this is the microwave. This is where the microwave is going to go. Is that pulled it out? So this is what you see now. So this will be connected to that, and this to the power, which is up there. It's got a remote for changing the colors, dimming the lights, and we're gonna test it now and we'll let you know. Okay, so it's all connected. Don't forget, this is the sensor. So because you've got a remote, this is the sensor. So I was thinking I'll put it probably around the side here, so that I can reach it even from outside here. I can reach it. So now it's all plugged in. Now let's give it a go. Here it is. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Wow, it's beautiful colors. Really, really beautiful colors. Okay guys, as you can see, the lights are all done. So it's very functional. Everything is complete. The trims are complete. The lights are complete, installed. That's really, it gives that very beautiful feeling. Anyway, that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, and thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.